Hello and welcome back for the next update here on the Harrier group build. Here's my Harrier. As you can see, I put down base coat, a little gloss coat on it. Now, unfortunately, my air compressor, the regulator valve, broke, so I was not able to use my air compressor. So, I actually hand painted this. All the colors you see here, all this is hand painted. Since I did not have enough to hand paint of the actual FS colors that calls out, what I wound up using, a little bit of a cheat, I guess. I used some Stynylrez primer, the gray and the white, a little bit of black, to give me the different shades of the grays of the aircraft. Now they may look a little stark, a little dark here on camera, but what I plan on doing next is taking a little bit of oils, which I have a little dab here of white, a little bit of a cotton swab, paintbrush, and I'm going to do some fading of the colors. And basically all I'm going to do is just take a really light dab, put it on it, wipe most of the off, and then just blend it all in here. And I'm going to try and do it panel by panel so you get a little bit of shading where the panelized meet, like if I had done some pre-shading on this. And one thing I like using oils, and if you've seen any of my other past build, it's just so easy to work. So even if this is too much, you know, it's very easy just to take a rag or a napkin and just wipe off any excess, like here, or use a little bit of thinner to wipe it off completely. So you can see it gives me a little bit of a faded effect there. And I'm going to do that throughout the whole aircraft. I started doing here on the fuel tanks. I don't know if you can tell the camera difference between one and the other. These two are painted the same. This one has a little bit of the white applied to it, so you can probably see a little bit of shading difference, a little bit of motley on it, and so forth. Anyway, so that's just the first step. So I'm going to do that, let that dry. After it dries, I'll put another coat of varnish on it, clear on it, and then do some more weathering on it. And in between that, I'm also I'll probably put I'm going to do the fading first, put on the decals, seal it, and then do some more weathering. Right? So I'll be back next week. Thank you.